Well, as you can probably see from the outfit I'm wearing here, we're getting ready to go to a Mardi Gras ball tonight. And here in Mobile and New Orleans, that's the tradition. You put on these white tie and tails, and you go out and you have fun, and everybody likes to have a good time. So I thought it would be a good opportunity to talk about, in the context of drunk driving accidents, something called social host liability. But before we get to that, just a quick history as far as Mardi Gras is concerned. A lot of people think that it started in New Orleans. It actually didn't. It started in Mobile. And as far as Mobile's own history with alcohol and Mobile's attitudes toward things like prohibition and that kind of thing, at one point, when the legislature was going to enact prohibition to stop the legal sale of alcohol, Mobile threatened to secede from the state of Alabama, actually. But let's talk about dram shop liability. If you're looking on this site, you probably know that dram shop liability results from an illegal sale of alcohol, where a bar, restaurant, liquor store, a seller of alcohol has sold to someone who either was underage or already obviously drunk. The legal standard is visibly intoxicated. And if they do that and an accident occurs as a result of that illegal sale and someone is either injured or killed, then Alabama law provides for a cause of action, a lawsuit against the seller of the alcohol. So how does that apply to, for instance, Mardi Gras balls? 'Tis the season, right? First, there has to be a sale according to the dram shop statute. There must be a sale for there to be a case. And in social host situations, you go to someone's house and they're serving you alcohol, or they're serving their guest alcohol. That's not a sale. They're not selling anybody alcohol in a typical situation. So there's no dram shop liability, even if the host continues to serve their guest after they've already become intoxicated visibly. So that's true with one exception in the law, and that is when it involves minors. So there is no requirement that there be a sale when you're dealing with minors in the context of a social host type of situation. But Mardi Gras balls, I think the people that go to Mardi Gras balls know that the alcohol, it's included. And there are two different types of Mardi Gras balls. There are the ones where you have to purchase a ticket, and there are those where you're simply given a ticket. There's certainly an argument, and if you look at the similar case law that's out there, the courts have talked about if you had to purchase a ticket to get into the particular event, even though you didn't have to pay for your alcohol. If you had to purchase a ticket, then that may constitute a sale within the meaning of the dram shop statute. But certainly for the Mardi Gras balls where you don't have to purchase your ticket to get into the ball, there's probably going to be a really difficult case under the dram shop statutes there. Again, unless you're dealing with a minor. And if a minor is served at a Mardi Gras ball, then there probably is going to be liability if an accident happens as a result of that minor's intoxication. We're going out tonight, and what I would recommend to everyone out there that's going out and having a good time, because that's what Mardi Gras is all about, having a good time, is to have a happy and safe Mardi Gras, and to have a designated driver. That's what my role will be tonight. So hope everybody has a very safe and fun Mardi Gras.